आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, welcome. The question states, if C, D, E are consecutive integers, what is C into D into E? And we have to answer whether it is even or odd. So before we dive into this question, let us look at concepts of multiplication of even and odd numbers, right? Now, whenever we have, the first concept is whenever we have even into anything, right? So what is anything? It is even or it is odd. So whenever we multiply something by an even number, the answer is always even. And the second concept is if we multiply two odd numbers, right? So the answer is always odd. Now this covers all the cases. So we can have only two cases. Either we are multiplying something by even number or we are multiplying two odd numbers together, right? So this covers even into odd into even into even, all three cases. And here we just have odd into odd, which is odd. So you multiply anything by an even number, the answer is definitely going to be even. And whenever there are only odd numbers multiplied, the answer is odd. It is as simple as that. Now, for this particular question, we have C, D, E are consecutive integers. Now, whenever we have consecutive integers, then can be possibility of only two cases, right? So the first case possible. So the first case possible is the first number is odd, the second number is even, and the third number is odd, right? And the second possibility is that the first number is even, the second number is odd, and the third number is once again even, because they are consecutive in nature, right? Consecutive. So I can have them of the form, say 1 into 2 into 3, or they can be of the form 2 into 3 into 4. Now if it becomes 3 into 4 into 5, it is once again 3 into 4 into 5, which falls into the first category. So there can be only two categories possible. Now when we are talking about the first category, where we have odd into odd, right? So if we multiply odd into even, so even into anything is even. So odd into even is actually going to give us even. And then once again even into odd, right? So even into odd again gives us even. So our final answer which remains is even. So this is equals to even. Once again, if we talk about this case, we have even into odd. So this is definitely going to be even. And even into even, so even into anything. So they both are even, right? So both will be multiplying and given us an answer which is even. So this is equals to even, no doubt, right? So in both the cases, we actually see by using the first two properties that even is the only answer that we achieve. Also guys, it does not matter the order in which you multiply, because multiplication is commutative in nature. So you multiply these two together or these two together, or first even odd or odd even, right? And also it is also associative in nature. So if I'm going to multiply these two first together, for example, if I'm going to multiply first these two and then the entire thing, then the answer is also going to be the same. And if I multiply these two together, right, these two together, and then I multiply the entire thing, then also my answer is going to be the same, right? So it does not actually matter the order in which you multiply, the answer is always going to be coming as even, right? So in both the cases, we observe that the final answer is even using these two properties. So for this particular question, if C, D are consecutive integers, what is C into D into E? Definitely my answer is going to be even. So correct answer for this particular question is even. That is it guys. Thank you so much for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।